Your move, Chester. Don't rush me, Walt. I have been thinking about this for 20 years.
Pawn to king 4. Same as always. Every single time.
You know you cannot beat me, Chester. 40 years and counting? 40 years of you cheating is what I count.
See you next Saturday, old friend. Same time.
Drive safe now, Walt. The roads get slippery this time of year. No. That cannot be right.
Chester, please.
You need to eat something.
Oh, Chester.
Come on, Chester. Let us play a game. It might help.
I do not want to play, Mary. Chester?
Did you see that?
Do you smell that?
That is Walt's cologne.
I am not detecting any anomalous readings in the house.
But the cologne, you do not smell that?
I am afraid I cannot explain that, Mr. Higgins. Well, everything checks out. I am sorry I could not find anything.
Pawn to king 4. Just like old times, Wog.